Who's there? Who is that? Oh, it's Coop.
I believe in you.
In this episode, we're going hard on disassembly. We're going to start with getting the block and trans out, then we'll move on to the drive shaft and fuel tank.
My finger in between.
No, this is not tight.
Or it is.
Probably because of this.
Yeah, that's all.
That's a botched. We need to take that slave cylinder off.
No, we don't. It's bolted to the train.
Oh, you're right.
It's only
It is.
transmission.
Yeah.
I just hope they didn't screw those threads up in the block.
Well, we can chase them.
I don't think they.
That says 4B63. Right there.
4B?
Yeah, 4B63.
4B11?
No.
4B11T.
No, it's a 4B63.
What about? Ooh.
Oh.
There's some chungus in there.
What in the world is in there?
What is this?
Oh no.
Ding dong.
That's from the pressure
I wonder if they
plate.
had to shove this in here just so the thing would spin. Oh, that spins.
This is so messed up.
Wow. But if you want it,
Yeah, you can have it. We'll meet
it.
in St. Paul, Minnesota.
Yeah.
Downtown.
$20.
Probably definitely not going in the scrap bin at Oregon.
That isn't scrap. That's got potential.
This is my favorite part, actually, is the slave cylinder rod that I think is actually just a coarse thread screw.
Yeah.
You'll need these for the.
I'm just putting them there.
So you have to take the flywheel and the pressure plate off to get it on the mount.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
What?
You don't need that bent one.
No, that's no.
No, it's no.
We're not going to use the bent one.
It's as good as blue rock color. Because of the angle.
Yeah, you're right.
It's called a constant pressure bolt.
Oh, they tightened those.
Well, it's a pressure
that
plate.
12 volt does not loosen anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's my bad.
Well, that just tells you how tight this thing is on. Oh, look at this. Look at the.
Yeah.
It was self-clearancing.
Oh no. I'm not going in a star pattern for this front wheel drive flywheel I'm not going to use. But if you want it, pick up in St. Paul, Minnesota.
Yep.
These are factory bolts, though.
Yeah. Did you see how tight that was on? The pressure plate was already pushed in.
Yeah.
Did they? What did they do? I think somebody doesn't know how to do a clutch.
Was that 2 discs? No.
There's no way they put 2 discs on this.
No. But the...
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Botched.
This didn't drive much. Like, after they did
both
this.
plates.
It ate the rivets.
No, it didn't. It didn't dig deep enough. The rivets are just...
It was
loose.
just...
Did they put the wrong side against the flywheel? They did. They had it like this.
Nice. What size are those?
Those are 17s.
17?
Yeah.
Go with what you feel.
Hey, those are actually the ones that we need.
Those 19s?
Is it 19? You know, I have an auto. Oh, Air Gordon turned on. There it is. Wow. I think it needed a rear main seal.
Couple 12s. 10s.
Alex, we might be able to use this plate, but maybe.
Where's all my crap? You keep it up.
Huh?
Talking to
I'll
him.
put it up
Oh.
so that we can get it on the stand.
Those threads look good, Alex.
Yeah. Which those are 8x125.
Those are M10s. Yeah.
All right.
All right, we're rolling.
Roll.
Rolling Powell. Colin Powell.
Huh? I don't know that one.
Don't worry about me.
I don't know that one.
I worry about you.
Somebody worries about everybody.
Yummy.
No, let's get down barely started. Just another tree. More in there.
With the transmission off, we can get the block on a stand so we can get it fully disassembled. Alex, what do you think? It's your very own 4G63.
That's pretty
It's a
neat.
4B6.
Or 4B63, sorry.
Wow, I got that to like the perfect height.
You did good, Coop.
Wow, I'm proud of you.
Why does that sound condescending? Made it a silly.
That is empty. Well, I mean, the engine's out.
What do you call that?
So I just corrected myself.
What's that thing?
The knock cable.
Go ahead and cut.
Cut.
Most of this stuff on the timing side is specific to the single overhead cam version of this engine, so we won't be reusing most of it. We'll need to source the dual overhead cam version of these parts. That is green. That's asbestos.
Did you just like...
I was expecting it to fly off that easily.
You just barely tapped it.
At least it's got a crap of silver filter on it. Oh, there is stuff all over my floor.
You have no one to blame but yourself.
That's... Now we need to get the oil pan off. This is one of those Vista only parts we won't be able to reuse. Whoa. What is that?
How does that make you feel, bud?
Yeah, we'll get it apart. We'll look.
Yep. Now that all the timing components are out of the way, we can remove the front case and balance shafts. We think we'll be able to reuse the drive shaft, but for now we're going to get it out of the way so we can clean things up and get a better picture for when we start on the drivetrain later. Now that the drive shaft is finally out, we can move on to dropping the fuel tank. Oh, look what we uncovered here. Some treasure.
Pull this stuff off.
This is the fuel sending unit, or what's left of it. What's going on in there? It looks like rocks.
It's like a lot of, like, there's a nut.
Ah! Looks like we're on an archaeological dig. Oh, there's a sending unit in there somewhere. Wow. Yeah, there's a couple years of dirt in there. Alex, what are we doing?
Recovering.
Recovering?
Oh, there's 6 of them.
So it's a 6-bolt. It's that 6-bolt rear gas tank. The fuel tank and sending unit are in need of some serious love, and it'll be easier to just work on them up on the bench. Hey! There we go. Got the fuel tank out. Drop. All right, Alex, nice. We got it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're gonna try test fitting some things and start working on refreshing the engine, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Go ahead and cut.
I'll cut.